Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Incognito Mode, or as it's officially called in Safari, Private Browsing Mode, on your Mac. This is great if you want to browse the web without saving your history, cookies, or autofill data. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Then go to the top left corner of your screen, click on File in the menu bar, and choose New Private Window from the drop-down. A new Safari window will open, and you'll notice the address bar turns dark. That's how you know you're in private browsing mode. While you're in this mode, Safari will not save the websites you visit, your search history, or anything you type into forms. Also, any cookies created during your session will be automatically deleted once you close the window. However, it's important to note that private browsing doesn't make you completely anonymous online. Your internet service provider, school, or employer may still be able to monitor your activity. When you're finished, just close the private window, and everything from that session will be cleared automatically. And that's it. You now know how to use Incognito Mode, aka private browsing, in Safari on your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.